How to delete LinkedIn account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First step, you will need to open up your LinkedIn. So search for linkedin.com and log in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, you should see your profile icon on the top right here. You'll see a tiny drop down button as well, right besides me. Tap on that. Then there you'll see an option called Settings and Privacy. So tap on Settings and Privacy, and you'll get redirected to linkedin.com/my preferences and everything else there. So after you're here, you will see the account preferences. Make sure that you're on the account preferences section. Then scroll down all the way. All the way down, you'll find account management section. Now, if you want to deactivate your account, it's called Hibernate right here. You can tap on that if you're not sure about closing the account. But if you want to delete your account, tap on Close Account. After doing that, you'll get to this page right here. Tap on Continue. You can then choose what your reasons are. So let's just choose other. Tap on Next and reason whatever you can write here. I'll just start typing random stuff, then tap on Next. Now, to simply close your account or delete your account, type in your password and then unsubscribe yourself from LinkedIn emails if you don't want them. Then you can tap on Done and then your account will get closed. And it's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.